I'm still getting used to seeing this haircut. All right. Welcome, DDTG. Marble Melt. DDTG. DDTG. Week. All right. I've been sick for about 10 days now. Getting better, but as you can see, still got this cough. Anyways, DDTG, this episode brought to you by Kraken, official crypto trading platform, Davey Day Trader Global, the investing platform I actually rely on not to fall apart the second things get interesting. Markets dip, everyone panics, markets go up. Suddenly, all the expert analysts come out. If you're going to be investing, you can use the platform that I trust when it matters. It's Kraken, period. Over 13 million people on it globally. Not because it's cool, not because it's hyped, because it's user-friendly, reliable. From my experience, doesn't crash on you the second things get moving, which, by the way, is more than I can say for half the stuff out there, which is true. I've been kicked off platforms. E-Trade kicked off because I complained when it went too crazy. I've used other platforms that don't work. Kraken, perfect. 600-plus tokens of trade, over 11,000 stocks and ETFs. Recurring buys so you can stack stats while you're out living your actual life. Earn rewards just holding certain assets. Geo restrictions apply. Don't yell at me. That's legal. When it comes to investing, get off the sidelines. Get in the game with Kraken. Go to kraken.com/barstool. Disclaimer: securities and brokerage services offered by Kraken Securities LLC. Member FINRA SIPC SIPC. Digital assets offered by Payward Interactive Inc. FinCEN registered money service business, not a member of FINRA SIP and not FDIC insured. There you go. How's that? New disclaimer. I'm still waiting for the bounce back. What do they call it? The halving in Bitcoin? It goes to half and then you go higher than you've ever gone before. And when it goes half, everyone says the thing's dying. Pete's barking. That's kind of where we're still in the halving part of things here. And I'm still waiting for this thing to go further than it's ever gone before. Bitcoin, 65,000. XRP, $1.14. ETH, 1,900. Solana, 77. So I'm like, I need this thing to go intergalactic. Is unnamed done forever? Yeah, in its current state. May I come back and do something again? Well, will I be like, oh, I got to do some sort of update show or version of the Dave Portnoy show, move into my world? Maybe. Sometimes maybe I'll be like, you know what? I'd like to do an hour rant show. But the problem is the things that get me mad are not things that people necessarily want to hear about. I mean, yes, I can talk Barstool, but like, would I be talking about Madami, that ridiculous press conference he did yesterday saying he wanted to arrest? And then, yeah, I would. And what a clown he is. And like how he just hates Jews. Yeah, that's on my mind. And no one wants to hear that. So, but there are stuff. I talk Bush. I saw that intern got a golf club broken. That's crap. But I would say the unnamed in its current with me, Kirk and Whitney, that show is dead forever. That show is dead forever. Whether I come back and do another version of my world, maybe. Matt, Davey, Damon? What does that mean? Austin Leslie, do I know Call of Duty paid back owners for CDL failing? No, I didn't know that, but people have been saying it. Buy SPCX before earnings. Now, I told you last time, so I was traveling. I missed a week. We'll have another episode of DDTG tomorrow probably. But I did tell people to buy how do I get to, all right. Let me go to stocks. You can trade stocks now. So SPCX is 122. I said wait till it gets to 120. So you could actually get in on SPCX right now if you want. I think it's a decent price. That's a long term, not a flip. But I told you that thing was up 210. That we could dig up the clip. I said don't get involved in SPCX till it's around 120. No hat needed this morning. People like the haircut. So here's what. Well, did I share why Unnamed is over? Well, I know this. I don't think myself in I know Whitney didn't want to do it. I didn't love how things were getting clipped wildly out of context. And then it's like I go down rabbit holes that I can't control. So that bothered me. And still, like today, clips are so far out of context. And if you're in my world and talk about things I do, it's not even worth the headaches. The headache is not worth it. The juice is not worth the squeeze. Yeah, I agree, Lisa. The castaway look. Nadu haircut. That's tough. That's tough. Who's Keegan? Keegan thinks Austin ruins your life. Runs your life. I know that. The haircut. Well, let's go. The stocks just went live. And by the way, if I really start going DDTG, people are like, they want Dave Portnoy. They want my takes on things. I give them a lot in this 20-minute show, 10, 15-minute show, whatever it is. This is where I kind of just let it fly. It's the only time I'm reading the comments. I'm doing all the stuff. This is where, yes, it's a stock show, but it's a lot more at this point. What is it? Oh. SpaceX is 157. I think SpaceX is a buyer on 120. Stock show. Let's see what we got. The market is live. So, I mean, I think you can buy it right now at 122. Anything else in the market we're looking at? I bought Oracle. It went straight down since I bought it. It was up a little bit yesterday. Looking at everything right now, I'm going to guess it's down again. I'd love for it to be up, but my guess is looking at everything, it's about even. It's about flat. I think Oracle's a good buy right now, though. It was getting smushed. DraftKings down 3.5%, 4%. That's no good. We always root for DraftKings around these parts. See if we get any earnings. Are we in earnings or are we just in the summer? Oh, wait. What the fuck? No, it's a huge earnings week. What are we talking about? Today is... What day is today? Wednesday? So Tesla... Oh, shit. We got a ton of earnings. All right, I'm glad we did this show. I wasn't even looking. We have Tesla after the bell today, Google after the bell today. Tomorrow. So I guess those are the two big. So what do we think on Tesla and Google? ServiceNow, IBM, yep. Do we like any of these? Do I use charts to trade, bro? No, bro. I use these baby blues, bro. I use this big ass thing in between my ears, bro. Do I use charts? You know what charts are for? Charts are for fucking suckers. That's like old sailors. It's kind of cloudy. It's a gray lady out there. Can you see it? Does it? You can never see it. You can kind of see the boats. You know what sailors use? Charts. You know what happens to them? They get lost at sea. No, I use my brain, bro. Tesla 200K, 500K, and SpaceX. When's the next Saratoga trip? So I think I'm going to miss the Saratoga sale, which is like my favorite thing to do in the world. But I'll probably go this weekend. Greater than the Nantucket Mist. Let's. What am I doing? I want to look something up. I want to look Tesla up. Are they going to combine Tesla and SpaceX at some point? Tesla is down 6% over a month, 5 days, 4%, 6 months, 15% year to date, 13%. But how does Tesla and SpaceX, it's like you're double upping? Who do I hate more, Mutt or Clemmer? Clemmer. I like Mutt somehow. Bosco will not weasel out. Polly Spice, I will be at Whitney Day. I can't stay for the sale. Fasoli's a real one. Yeah, listen, what do you at some point you got to come to grips with like your age, how long you've been doing Barstool. Kids don't know it. I'm not Brady. I'm not out there like trying to get into although it would work for me. That's kind of my brand, but like I'm on the back nine. I'm more than on the back nine. I'm walking up like 15. So yeah, the kids, it's a new era. I have not taken the boat out since I got lost. Nantucket Mist. That is a good. I have a horse named Monomoy Mist, and I live in Monomoy. So Monomoy Mist. I have that horse. Will I ever get in a sports card game? No. Is Bosco getting fired if he doesn't do Men of Honor? Yes. Elon can do whatever he wants, and retail traders will eat it up. I don't know, but there's two things now. I mean, they're not eating up SpaceX right now. Who's my favorite current Red Sox player? I mean, I love Contreras. High Noons, how to make them full-time. When's the Caleb Durbin jersey getting purchased? Hardy, I already have a Caleb Durbin jersey. I already have one. It's sitting in Isle Morada. Now, some people may say it doubles as a Nomar jersey, but I got it. My dad's at the house right now. I don't like the new team concept in horse racing. I think it's ridiculously stupid. Maybe it helps a couple owners, but like it's not like horse racing fans don't give a fuck really about the owners. Very rare cases. Like maybe they care about me. Rapoli's a character, but like they care about the horses and the trainers, but it's like a 10-horse league. I think is a very dumb idea. I mean, the guys who are doing it seems like they know what they're doing to make good TV, but does that like the biggest owners and the richest owners and profiling them, does that do anything? No, that doesn't help the game. Oh, I got to take this call. Hello? Hey, how's it going? Yep. Nantucket problems. Somebody drove into my bushes and knocked them all over. That was the cops being like, we know who it is. So good. Is this the Telluride Bush thing? What does that mean? Eric, I can't believe I bought a book who went full. This is not a new do here. I mean, come on. It's like I can still put it up. How's Hogdale? He's living the life right now. TBB with Jason Williams. What's that? The doubleheader for the Red Sox today. I wish I was just betting them and it's still every game. My mom made a sour cream cake. It was great. Am I hiring anybody from the ESPN layoffs? No, not from this round of layoffs. No comment on Austin deleting tweets. Seems like Jerry crafted that tweet, no? And then it turned sour, so he deleted it. How do I feel about Austin copying her exact manners and treating Barstool employees like trash? I don't know if he's copying it, but that's what he does. Wrap it.